Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add VPN extensions to Google Chrome browser. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Google Chrome application on your PC or on your laptop, and then in this interface at the top right corner you need to click on these extensions button, or you can actually click on the three dots button at the top right and then find extensions option, here it is, and then click on the Visit Chrome Web Store. Then you will see this interface, and then in the search bar at the top of your screen you need to type VPN and then press enter button. After that you will see a lot of different applications. You need to click on any application you want, for example this one, VPN, and then at the top right corner click on the Add to Chrome button and then click on the Add extension in this little window. After downloading, you need to click on the extensions button again and then click on the Manage Extensions, here it is, and then you need to find your recently downloaded VPN extension and then enable it. You can also disable other VPN extensions. And after that you need to click on the extensions again, then you can click on this pin button to pin this VPN and then click on this VPN to enable it or to connect to VPN. And that's all, and that's how to add VPN extensions to Google Chrome browser. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.